My name is Elena Fassi, and I work for the Milan Urban Food Policy Pact, which is one of the many partners of the AfriFood Links project. And again, I guess most of you are familiar with AfriFood Links. But since this webinar is open to the public, let me just say a few words about the project in case some of you are not familiar with it. So AfriFood Links is an Horizon project that started in 2022 and counts about 30 partners from Africa and Europe, partners of different constituencies. And it tries to change the way that we look at urban food systems from different angles and perspectives. So it tackles research, advocacy, practical experiments, and so on. And we will add the link to the website in the chat so that you can all have a look. Within AfriFood Links, partners have created a community of practice to be able to share the bulk of knowledge that has been created and is being created through the project. And this webinar is a part of the series that the community of practice is organizing. And in particular, this webinar will help us understand what we mean when we talk about living labs in the context of AfriFood Links, and how this methodology can be used to bring out innovation from the cities participating in the project, and beyond that, also how we can leverage this innovation and this knowledge when we are in communication with sources of funding, such as donors. And to help us navigate this conversation, you will hear from my colleagues Bianca, Andre, Sara, and Ine, who belong respectively to partner organizations such as ESTA, ACRA, ICLE World Secretariat, and Ricolto. They will Bianca and Andre will give a presentation about their work, and then we will take some time for also Sara and Ine to join the conversation. And at the end of the webinar, we will give space for questions from the audience. In the meantime, participants can also type questions in the chat. However, if in case we don't have the capacity to answer during the webinar, we will take all of the questions at the end. So to start, I will leave the floor to Bianca Minotti, who is a researcher from ESTA. Again, you will find her bio in the chat to know more about her background. And Bianca, I will leave you the floor. Thank you very much.